Nassau Bahamas. What a gorgeous view. Good morning. So today is the last day of our mother-son cruise. We have just ported or almost finished porting here in Nassau, Bahamas. This will be the boys' first time in Nassau, not mine. I've been here before. So today we are taking an excursion to Blue Lagoon Island. We have not done that. We did book that directly through Carnival, and I'll have to include the price in the description because I can't recall. But as you see, there's Atlantis back there behind us. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's kind of cool and breezy right now, so that's really nice. I'm hoping the sun isn't on full blast today. But we are getting up, getting ready, and gonna have some breakfast. I believe we can technically get off around 7:30. However, our excursion isn't until 9, so we're gonna take our time, have some breakfast. I believe it's, from what I'm hearing, a lot of the shops and things are closed because of COVID. So initially I was gonna get off and maybe just peek around the shops, but sounds like they're closed right now, unfortunately. So I think we'll just wait until 9 o'clock and get off with our excursion. So again, if you like this content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We have lots more content coming soon. So we're gonna go ahead and have breakfast and get some coffee. All right, here we are in Nassau. Go find me some breakfast. I think I'm gonna try one of these guys' burgers for breakfast. Let's see. Let's give it a try. All right, this morning for breakfast, I got a guy's burger. I'm gonna give this a try. It has a egg, some donkey sauce, hamburger patty cheese. They have different options available. And I got me some fresh fruit and some guava juice. So the guy's breakfast burger is pretty good. My only complaint is that the eggs are a little bit runnier than I personally would like, but you can always ask to have your egg fried over medium well or fried hard if you like. So I'd prefer mine over medium well or hard, but otherwise it's very tasty. And I'm enjoying breakfast this morning with an air-conditioned view. There's Nassau. And the boys are grabbing their usual breakfast, probably some pancakes, eggs, sausage, and fruit. So, but enjoy breakfast, and we're gonna be off the ship here in about 20-25 minutes. All right, let's see what the boys got today. Looks like guys has some French toast, ham, hash browns. Did you get me one of those hash browns?
Oh, yeah.
No, you didn't.
Wait, what?
Drew got eggs and pancakes again. You guys get you something to drink.
Oh, no.
Get you something to drink. I didn't even want to take one of his hash browns. He won't notice. Alright, then I grabbed coffee and some danishes. And these aren't all for me, we're going to be sharing. Oh, look at all the towel animals they have around. I still have trouble identifying them. They're pretty cute. Have them all around the pool deck right now. You might have a class where they teach you how to, I know that's a swan, where they teach you how to make the towels. At least they used to offer that. So I don't know if they're doing that right now in COVID times or not. But these are pretty cute. All right, we're headed to deck 0 to get off for our excursion. All right.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Ready? Take off your mask quickly.
All right, we're here in Nassau, looking for a Blue Lagoon Island tour. Let's see. Blue Lagoon. There we go. All right, Blue Lagoon. So all these people are going to Blue Lagoon. So there's different excursions. Some are doing dolphin. Some are doing VIP beach. Some are doing regular beach. So she's walking us out.
Please keep on your facial coverings, okay? Please keep on your facial coverings.
So they're sanitizing and doing temp checks. Alright, we're on the ferry for Blue Lagoon Island. Yeah. Wait. And mask are required while in transit. For Bahamas, you have to wear your mask indoors and outdoors, except when actively eating or drinking or in water. Boat departures there, some of the things that they offer. Alright. And then they actually have a few different beaches. So we just kind of stopped as soon as we got off at number 4, I believe. But they have different beaches, so we might just walk around and see what else there is to see. We want to find a good snorkeling spot. Let's see where snorkeling is. Oh, it looks like 18. All right, we'll figure it out. So there are the prices for the water sports activities. Clamshell, locker room. But I just have to say that I am a little bit disappointed. So I went over to the water sports center to see about getting some snorkeling gear for the day because they advertise that they have it for rent, and they also have some for purchase. They have no snorkeling gear for rent. They have no snorkeling gear for purchase. They said that you didn't need to bring your own towels, that you could put down a deposit to get a towel. We didn't bring towels. They have no towels. They said I have to go to the gift shop to purchase towels. So already it's not starting off great. So we'll see how the day goes. I'm a little disappointed because we're not able to snorkel, but you know, we'll make do with what we have. But I can tell you that I'm not impressed by what we've seen so far. All right, so we're just gonna walk around. There's this snacks. It's a snacks and bar. I have to say it's gorgeous out here. I just don't think I'm happy with the customer service and not having things, especially considering they're at an extremely reduced capacity to not have any snorkeling stuff, any towels. You know, that's kind of unheard of, I think. And again, I'm not one to complain, but I literally booked this. We booked this so that we could go snorkeling. We didn't want to book their snorkeling excursion that they had because the reviews were kind of mixed on that, but we were planning on just snorkeling on our own. My snorkel set broke yesterday and I accidentally forgot Dyson's at home. So when I went online, it said that they had it for rent. So we were hoping to do that today. So, but again, I'm trying to make the best of the day. There's Dyson. I would also recommend water shoes for Blue Lagoon Island. There are quite a few rocks out in the water, so be careful. Watch your toes. All right, let's see what's over here on this side. See some clamshells. Looks like a little lagoon area. Still no lifeguard on duty. Yeah, see, lots and lots of rocks, so be careful. And I forgot my water shoes on the ship. Oh, so here's another little beachy area. This is a little more secluded than over there. So when you get off the shuttle, most guests just kind of stop there at that beach. But there's this whole side over here. They're playing music. A little shallow area. So pretty nice. Like I said, the island is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So here I am chilling with Drew. Drew has his headphones on. He didn't even come ready to go to the beach. He put on his sneakers and socks. He said he is not doing the water today. So I did go back up to see if it was possible to upgrade our passes to include their snorkeling excursion that they have. and she said that they don't have it. So, so, I mean, I expected there to be, you know, some things with like maybe food or drink that they might run out, but I didn't think the basic excursions that they would not have. And it's not that they're booked up; they just don't have them as advertised. So, a little disappointed. I'm not going to keep saying that. This is my last time saying it, unless something else disappoints me. So I'm just going to rest here for a little bit. Now, our passes, it did include a lunch. So you get a Bahamian lunch and one soft drink. That was included. So I think I'm going to rest here for a little bit. I'll probably go back out in the water with Dyson here in a few. I think I might go ahead and also get him that water park pass because he keeps looking at it. I think that's $15 per person. I'm not going to get it because I know I can't pull myself up on those floats. So I think I'll let him do that. And then we'll probably go get lunch around noon, and then it'll be time to get back on the shuttle. So it's 10:30 now, and we'll see what the rest of the day brings. So there's your song. Give us a move. Oh boy. How much is the water park?
It's an aqua park and it's 20.
It's $20? Go ahead, son.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Give us a move, Drew. Move, boy. Alright, we're gonna get out here in this water. Looks like Dyson and Drew are gonna get into the water park. Let's see what he does. Dyson, is it deep out there? Dyson, is it deep? Is it deep?
Yeah.
Drew, don't go. Yeah, you might need a. Are you getting on the water park? Come back this way, Drew. See, because Dyson can swim, Drew really can't. Come back this way, son. All right. So they did say that the water park is going to be included for Carnival guests. So I don't know if they made that exception because we had other issues, but that's really nice. So Dyson's going out there. I'm going to pull Drew back in. Come on, Drew.
We got beef, Nick. We got beef, Nick.
Where's he at? Oh, I'm sorry.
You're okay. You waiting for somebody to come down?
I think so. I don't know where he went though.
They're not easy to get up.
I
Even
bet.
if you're young.
That's why I was like, I'm not even trying. It's tricky. You got to pull all your body weight up. I think Dyson underestimated how hard it would be. Oh, he's still on the bottom. So he has to pull his weight up. Oh, this lady's going to help him out. There he goes. All right, good job, guys. Thank you. I know. Takes a lot of work. You're probably only going to get that once. All right. Ah! Let's see how long it takes, Dyson. There he goes again. He's trying. There he goes. All right. This nice lady's out there helping because Mama's not doing it right now. Uh-oh. Hold on, Dice. Hold on. Pull your body weight up. Pull. Use your muscles. Use your muscles, Dice. You got it. Go ahead. It's hard work. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. Keep pulling. Let him get up there. I'm glad I didn't pay money for this. All right, come on. All right. All right, hold on. I gotta get a picture because this might only happen once. Go ahead. He's gonna jump in. 1, 2, 3. Woo! How was that? A lot of work, huh? Yeah, that's why I ain't going in there. You want to give it a try? If you want to go out there, I'll go out there with you. No? It's a lot of work. Alright. Alright, he's trying to get up on that side. Maybe this one. Maybe this one's a little bit easier. Let's see.
Take a picture. Take a picture. That's a picture right there. Hey, fish. Hey, fish.
There is fish down there. Let's see. I see it. It's just kind of sitting there. Alright, this is much. I guess that's as much snorkeling as we're going to get today. Let's see. Alright. You going to try that one? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to sit down in this water and relax. There he goes again. He probably would have more success if he had on his water shoes. There he goes. There he goes. Woo! Daisy, you need water shoes on. Look how pretty the water is, though. Gorgeous. By the way, my mood has improved. You know, the logic is when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So no reason to pout for the rest of the day. We're going to make the best of it. Right, Drew? And I'm getting hungry, too. So I'm ready to check out this Bahamian meal. All right, here he goes. Got it. Oh. Watch that, yep. Watch the baby. He's going to slip off there if he keeps. Cannonball. Woo! There he goes. Good job, Dice. Water's nice and cool. You want to dunk under, Drew? Alright, Dustin's going to try that one that says "Weed It" on the side, the white one. I'm still just floating along. Now they're supposed to have like beach games and beach activities, so I've been kind of listening for that. I don't know if that'll take place after lunch, but I thought that might be something the boys might want to participate in. Probably like tug of war and maybe some dance competitions or something. So we'll see. They'll enjoy that. But it's our last day. It feels great to be able to take a quick cruise while, you know, during the school year. During the year, not during like our summer break and spring break and things like that. Ooh, something touched my foot. I think it was just a big rock. But we have our next cruise planned for Christmas, and we'll be back in Nassau, Half Moon Cay, and Grand Turk, if Grand Turk is open at that point. So we're hoping it is. I was even debating swapping out that cruise for a different one, since we'll be back on the Sunrise again. We're trying to get on as many different cruise ships as we can, but just looking at the cost with it being Christmas, that was the most reasonably priced for our family of 5. So as of now, that's what we're going to keep, but we'll see. We might change that up depending on the price. I know with COVID, the prices have been fluctuating, so up and down, up and down. If we can catch it on a nice low, then we might go ahead and change it out and get book a different cruise. Let's see where Dyson is now. Still hasn't made it up. All right. What are you gonna do? Be careful. There he goes. All right, I think that's the best thing to do. He's gonna slide off. Be careful. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Dyson is so fearless. Yeah, there's no way I'd be doing that. I don't even want to jump into a pool. Or if you caught our video from Cancun, I didn't even want to jump from off the boat into the water. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check that out. We stayed at El Cid Marina, all-inclusive resort. So definitely check that out. We had a great time snorkeling there. When I'm coming, every time. Just a friendly reminder that you are sharing the island with other guests throughout the day. It is very important that you remain in your designated areas unless escorted by one of your guest service representatives. Please be advised that you may be made over to the marine mammal side of the island to participate in your animal program or to simply observe our animals. All right, it is lunchtime. So you get 1 drink and 1 lunch. It's not all you can eat. So make sure you fill up your plates. Guys, wash your hands. Guys, wash your hands right here. Pump down there with your foot. All the seating areas. All right, where's your tickets? We got hamburgers, hot dogs. Looks like they also have veggie patties there available.
Fries?
Fries.
Okay. What could I add to your sandwich, ma'am?
I'd like some rice
You want
and
rice?
chicken, please.
Okay, no problem. Rice, fresh rice coming right now, okay?
Thank you. All right, so this is the included lunch for Blue Lagoon Island. I got a burger, some peas and rice, plantain, chicken, salad. Boys got burgers, fries, rice. What Drew get? He got burger, chicken, fries, and salad. And then it comes with fruit punch and lemonade or tea. So we're gonna enjoy our lunch. All right, this fruit punch they serve is really, really good. I wish we could get more than 1 cup. I might have to buy some. It's really good. Real fruity. Oh my gosh, it's really good. What do you think about the fruit punch, Dice?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, nice and sweet. How's your burger, Drew? Good? All right. So I saw this over here by the pavilion. Said I want to see what's on this side. Looks like more beach. And it says snorkeling safety rules. So this must be an area that has good snorkeling. Let's see. Oh, so So this would have been a nice spot for snorkeling. Plenty of rocks, things over here. There's really no one over here. So nice spot. Plenty of rocks. We have a rain cloud coming in, fill a few drops. But awesome. Beautiful. Something else to note, it's advertised that you have use of the floats and noodles, but you see some guests have hoarded them to themselves. And I've only counted 8 that I've seen so far. So there's not a whole lot, but please don't hoard. Because we would love to have a float, but we haven't been able to locate one. So guess I got my punch on time. Just in time. Hopefully this passes over soon.